Delighted to at last meet with you, Major Ryan. I hope you are fully recovered from your journey. I believe Klissman has explored with you how we might collaborate.
He has indicated your support for our struggle.
Good. Good. Come up.
The IRA and the Germans are up to something. See if Consul Warnock can find out what's going on.
Colonel Wiesemeyer, perhaps you could be more specific as to what form this collaboration might take.
Of course, Herr Ryan. I know you are a man of action. And before I praise you of our plans, there's someone here I'd like you to meet. I believe you two gentlemen are acquainted.
Russell. General Sean Russell.
Good to see you. The lads are delighted you finally made it out of Spain. We live in a changed world. The Germans can help us.
They're fascists! Sean?
I'm delighted to hear you have accepted our offer for a passage home.
This will be our route. We'll head out of Friesland under the British blockade, south through the English Channel, and west to Ireland. We will drop you here, on the Dingle Peninsula. So what's it to be? Galway or Berlin?
You say General Russell died in your arms?
He did.
This is a little strange, Herr Riches, as it is widely known that there was bad blood between you and he.
We had a job to do.
You were the last person to see him alive?
What are you suggesting, sir?